Coconut matcha bowls in less than 5 minutes. Are you kidding me? Our matcha video, which is linked above, matcha has a lot of different health benefits. First of all, it's 10 times the antioxidants you would find in green tea because you actually ingest the matcha. Second of all, matcha also offers you a lot of different things like chlorophyll, like zinc, minerals. It depends which grade you want to choose. For this dessert, we are using both premium and ceremonial matcha. Why are we wasting ceremonial matcha on a dessert? Just because we think it's super healthy and we want to enjoy those benefits. We're just adding all the ingredients together, literally no specific order. You can do whatever you want here. And now we're going to mix them. This is already smelling too good. See, I told you, less than 5 minutes and it's done. So now I'm gonna try it. Probably it will take me longer than 5 minutes to chew it, so please be patient. For me, it was fantastic because I love matcha, I love coconut, and who doesn't like stevia with that combination? The one thing I would try next time is to cover it with some of our Yummzy chocolate, melted chocolate, or if you buy any chocolate, you can just cover it with melted chocolate, because I personally love the combination of matcha and chocolate. It's timeless and it's just an explosion of flavors that are so deep and intense. So guys, enjoy it this way, or enjoy it with a bit of chocolate on top.